Zombie heel hook. You're just standing around with a goofy smile on your face like a Nintendo Wii character and a zombie invades your personal space. When this happens, I like to use a simple but elegant solution. Fall backwards and roll over your shoulder while grabbing the inside of the zombie's leg for control. Spin around in order to knock the zombie off their feet, ending up in the leg attack position. With your arm on the inside of the leg, hook the heel and tear the leg right off. Don't stop there. Flip the leg around and initiate a toe hold. Likely the zombie is still alive, so make it rain knuckles for good measure. Good job! 15 points.